Thank you, Ren. President of the Jamaica Cricket Association, Wilfor, has revealed to TVJ Sports that he will more than likely not be seeking re-election at the next voting annual general meeting, which is due by December of next year, the earliest. In fact, there are whispers that Heaven could enter the race for a higher office. Wilfor is into his fourth term as Jamaica Cricket Association president, having been re-elected unopposed last December. However, an impeccable source recently told TVJ Sports that Heaven may in fact cut short his current two-year term in office to focus on the presidency of Cricket West Indies when that becomes available. We put the question to Heaven on Tuesday.
I've heard it myself. I am not yet definitive on that, but there is that possibility because I am a person who believes in term limit. To every time we come to the end of a term, I hear about unfinished business and, there are things more to be done. But there is that possibility, although I am not yet definitive.
The possibility that you will leave it at the end of the term or before the term ends?
At the end of the term.
The next JCA elections are constitutionally due by December of next year. Regarding the CWI presidency, Heaven was coy when pressed about his ambitions to head the regional governing body.
I have not yet contemplated that. I've heard that myself, but that was not coming from me. And, if that should happen, is perhaps, there's no vacancy right now. I think the CWI election is next year, March. And I do not believe if there are ambitions out there that we should begin to put the politics out there this early.
However, Heaven did admit that calls have been coming in from certain quarters for him to throw his hat into the ring for the presidency of Cricket West Indies when that becomes available next year.
In all fairness, I have received maybe one level of encouragement, but I knowing me, I smile at it because if that was not in my mind, it would be new and strange to me. So I smile at it. I'm not even sure if it is lost on me or if it is not lost on me, but it's something we will see, depending on what time I have available, depending on how willing I am to serve at that level.
In late January, incumbent CWI President Ricky Skerritt, who is into his second term, told CNC3 in Trinidad that his time at the helm will come to an end after 2023, as he will not be seeking re-election.